Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is April the 12th, 2023 and we're heading into Publix today. We have about 25 deals that I'm going to share with you. There are a lot of deals that we're going to share that are BOGO and no coupons needed. As always, make sure that you have liked, shared, and subscribed to my YouTube channel. Also, click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming up. There is also a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. No need to write any of these deals down. Please also join me on my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok channels. I share a lot of daily deals on those platforms as well. Guys, I get a lot of questions about how you can support my ministry and YouTube channel, and that is very simple. Please make sure that you comment below when you find your favorite deal of the day, and that helps to support me a ton. First deal are on these red navel oranges. These are the 3-pound bag of the Cara oranges. They are usually $6.99, but they're on sale for $3.50 per bag. So good little deal to stock up on the Cara oranges. My daughters have recently been enjoying some of this Mott's apple juice. We're not getting the fruit juice, but the apple juice. These are usually $4.29 for the 6-pack, and they're buy one, get one free, so each pack will be $2.15. So good little deal on these to throw in their lunch boxes. So a couple years ago when bacon prices were going up, I tried this Hatfield bacon because it was the cheapest at my store at the time, and so I really liked it. I liked it better than the Oscar Mayer and the Hormel. These are usually $8.99 for the 16-ounce package, but they're buy one, get one free. So one of them is $4.50 each. Another great bacon deal is on this Kentucky Legend bacon. These are $8.99. They're buy one, get one free. So each pack is going to be $4.50. If you have not already done so, sign up for the Kentucky Legend coupons. They'll send you coupons usually every month or so. I think on their website they tell you that they'll send you over $50 in coupons. And so if you sign up, put your email in, they'll send you a coupon. But I don't have mine at the time. I think the latest one was a 50-cent coupon. All right, another bacon deal. This is going to be on the Hormel Black Label Center Cut Bacon. These are usually $9.99. But they're buy one, get one free. So each pack will be $5. Now, here's the deal on this. These are the 12-ounce packages. So these packages are smaller than the Hatfield and the Kentucky one. So, if you need a bigger pack of bacon. Of course, this might be smaller too because it is the center cut bacon. But still a good deal on this bacon for $5 each. The next deal I want to share with you is on the Purex laundry detergent. Now, there are some paper coupons in the newspaper coupons out. I don't have those since I'm all digital now, but there is a $2 coupon inside of this bundle of savings. This is going to be on the Kimberly-Clark little booklet. This is purple, and in the inside, the pages are kind of have a purple border around it. You can find this in Publix. If you don't see it when you walk in on the little spitty rack, go to the pharmacy. Sometimes they're sitting over there, but if you can't find it, just ask a sales associate, and there'll be these $2 coupons on inside this purple bundle of savings booklet. So with that coupon from the bundle of savings booklet, we're going to use it on some of these Purex products. Now, there's different ones that may work, but this one here is usually $7.99, the one I'm getting there. And so because they're buy one, get one free, they'll be $4 each. With that $2 bundle of savings booklet coupon, it's going to make these $2 each. And like I said before, there are some manufactured coupons from the newspaper out there. If you find those, that will bring your cost down even more. So pretty decent deal on the Purex if you like Purex. So just check that out on these. All right, again, the Purex crystals. My favorite is the Fresh Spring Waters. These usually $5.19 each, but pretty good deal on these. So these will be just $2.60 each. No coupons. A lot of times we'll get IBOTTA rebates on these, but there are no IBOTTA rebates on these in my gallery. Maybe you have in yours, but $2.60, no paper coupons or no digital coupons needed for this. So these Dawn sponges are usually $3.59 each. It's a 3 count, but because it's BOGO, it will be $1.80 per pack. A decent deal if you need sponges. I don't like sponges. I don't like keeping sponges, but this is a decent deal if you do like sponges. So $1.80 on these. All right, so this is the larger size of the Mott's apple juice. These are usually $4.79, but they will be $2.40 per container of the Mott's apple juice. All right, my daughter loves these Flips pretzels. These are usually $4.19, but because they're BOGO, they'll be just $2.10. No coupons needed on this great deal. All right, amazing deal on this fresh attitude salad. The baby spinach is the one I actually picked up. These are $3.99, but they're on BOGO, so you can just pay $2 for this container of spinach. All right, so I actually picked up the smaller container of this Hershey syrup, and the smaller one is actually $1.70. No coupons needed on this, but I've never seen this Hershey Simply 5. I guess that has five ingredients in it, so I want to try that, but a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I just got the small container, and it was $1.70. So I totally forgot to take a picture of this Angel Soft bath tissue in the store, and these are usually $5.78 for 2. They're on sale 2 for $11, so they're $5.50 each. And then we have these $1.50 coupons on Angel Soft. So I will put the link for this coupon in the description box. That will take $1.50 off, and you can print a couple of these off. So they'll just be $4 per pack. So 2 for $11. Use 2 of these $1.50 coupons, so $3 in coupons. We'll bring it down to $9, and to bring it down to $8, excuse me, and then there'll be $4 per pack. These Vlasic pickles are a great stock-up price. The smaller jars are $2.39 usually, but they're buy one, get one free, so each jar will be just $1.20. I forgot again to take a picture of this in the store, but this is the Yasso Greek yogurt bars, and the ones that I got were $3.50. We do have this $2 coupon that I will be linking in the description box that will bring these down to $1.50. And then we also have an IBOTTA rebate for $2 back, a limit of 2. So this would make this a 50-cent moneymaker. So with the $2 coupon and the $2 IBOTTA rebate, that's $4 in savings. That would make this a 50-cent moneymaker. So I was really excited about this. I haven't had a moneymaker in quite some time. All right, so the Progresso broth. You guys know I love a good deal on broth. These are usually $2.79 each, but they're buy one, get one free. So each one will be just $1.40 each. So I've never tried this Moolah banana milk. I'm going to try it now. I got the chocolate one actually. So I guess if you're allergic to dairy products, but these are usually $4.99 each. Because they're BOGO, it's going to be $2.50 for one of the Moolah containers. And then we do have this $1 coupon. I will be putting this in the description box. This $1 coupon is a PDF coupon. So essentially what that means is you can print it off as many times as you want. So if you really want to stock up on this organic banana milk, there'll be just $1.50 per container with this $1 coupon. So I never see deals on SpaghettiOs anymore. My kids love to have these because at my house, if I cook something and they don't want to eat it, then they have the option of making themselves some good old SpaghettiOs. So these are $1.50 each, but because they're buy one, get one free, they'll be just 75 cents a can. So pretty good deal on these, especially because we never get coupons on stuff like this. So Mott's applesauce, this is a good stock up price. Summertime is coming, and I like to have things like this cold in the refrigerator for the kiddos. These are usually $3.15 per container, but they'll be just $1.63. No coupons needed. Guys, I am stocked up on Old El Paso products for a lifetime. We're going to be picking these up for just $1.31 each. So pick up 3 boxes. They're $2.14. Your total will be $6.42. We do have this $1 coupon on the Publix app that we're going to use because we're picking up those 3 boxes. In addition, we're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents per box. So that's $1.50 that we will be submitting to IBOTTA because we're picking up 3 boxes. So with that $1 coupon and that $1.50 back from IBOTTA, our total is going to be $3.92 for all 3, or $1.31 per box. So Heinz yellow mustard. I usually get the French's mustard, but this is a good deal of mustard. These are usually $2.89 each, but they're on BOGO, so each one will be just $1.45. I used to love to go to the Sticky Fingers restaurant, but they've closed so many of them down. I still can enjoy the barbecue sauce though. These are $3.99 each. They're on BOGO, so it makes them just $2 each. So I never know how to say these diced tomatoes, but I think they're the Tut or Rosso diced tomatoes. These are a really large can of tomatoes, 28 ounces or 1 pound. They're usually $2.50, but they're just $1.25 with the BOGO. So I love these because it's such a large can of tomatoes, because I usually end up using like a couple cans that cost way more than $1.25 each. So these yellow rice packets are usually $1.59, but we love yellow rice in our house. We make this chicken dish in the crock pot, and then we put it over top of yellow rice. But these are usually $1.59, and they're BOGO, so they'll be just 80 cents per bag of rice. Sara Lee bread, my favorite is this artisan Sara Lee bread. I love the hamburger buns. These are usually $4.49, but they're BOGO, so they're $2.25. There is a 50-cent coupon on the Publix app, which would make each pack of bread just $1.75. So I thought this was a great deal on these buns. My kiddos love Mayfield mini ice cream sandwiches because they're like just the perfect size for a little sweet treat. These sandwiches are usually $3.89 that I get, the ice cream bars, and they are going to be BOGO for $1.95. So good deal on these, just $1.95 on the BOGO. There are more expensive Mayfield products, but the ice cream sandwiches are the one that we always get. I've heard so many people talk about these Mio liquid water enhancers, especially on TikTok. People are talking about it so much. I guess they're just trying to get their water intake in. And this is going to be an insane deal on these. So these are going to be just $1.20. All right, so they're usually $3.79. They're on BOGO for $1.90. And we have a 70 cents IBOTTA rebate on these. So with that rebate, it's going to bring it down to $1.20. Now, this can be done up to 5 times in one transaction. So if you are a person that drinks these, this is the time to stock up on these at Publix. So just $1.20 with that 70 cent IBOTTA rebate.